Hello everyone. Wish everyone a happy and energetic day. Today, I will share with you one of the natural, safe and effective methods that I have applied for many years in the process of caring for and propagating roses. Without using root stimulants or any chemicals, we can completely help rose branches to root quickly, healthily, and sprout strongly. First of all, choosing a flower branch is an important factor that determines 70% of the success of the process. Choose a rose branch that is really healthy, free from pests and diseases, and has a moderate age. Young branches are easily waterlogged, and old branches are difficult to root. After choosing a branch that meets the requirements, we proceed to remove all the leaves, sharp thorns, and even the wilted petals. This helps the plant limit water loss while focusing all its energy on regenerating root tissue. Next, we cut the branches short, keeping only about 15 centimeters in length. This is the ideal size for the plant to easily recover and grow. Now comes the interesting part: garlic. Garlic is known as the natural antibiotic of the plant world. Garlic contains allicin, which has very strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to protect cuttings from root rot or fungal infection in the early stages. We prepare a clove of garlic. Peel it off and cut off one end. Use a knife to make a small hole in the middle of the garlic clove. Then use this garlic clove to gently rub the entire stem of the flower branch, especially the cuts. When we rub like that, the sulfur compounds and enzymes in the garlic will penetrate directly into the surface of the plant tissue, helping to disinfect and stimulate root cell growth. Then, insert the base of the rose branch into the hole in the middle of the garlic clove and leave it for about 5 minutes. Enough for the active ingredients in the garlic to penetrate deep into the root tissue. Next, we will mix a diluted garlic solution to enhance the protection of the branches. Prepare 3 more garlic cloves, peel, chop, and put them in a clean plastic cup. Add about 200 milliliters of water. Stir well to dissolve the garlic essence. Soak the rose branches in this solution for about 1 hour. The garlic solution not only kills bacteria, but also provides a small amount of micronutrients such as manganese, selenium, and sulfur, helping to increase the resistance of the flower branches. Now for the second part, rice water solution. Many people do not know that rice water contains a lot of starch, B vitamins, and some natural enzymes, which stimulate the formation of new tissue and roots. Take about 5 spoons of rice and put them in a clean glass jar. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water, stir well and cover. When the water cools, stir again to completely dissolve the substances in the rice. Then filter out the residue, keeping the clear solution. Once you have the two solutions, garlic and rice water, mix them together. Take the rose branch out of the garlic water cup. Then pour the entire garlic solution into the rice water cup and stir well. This combination is very effective. Garlic helps protect plant tissue from bacteria and fungi, while rice water provides nutrients to help root tissue grow quickly. These two factors complement each other, creating an ideal environment for root formation. Now we prepare a clean plastic cup. Fill it with treated river sand. River sand has good drainage properties, helping new roots not to be waterlogged. Pour the garlic rice solution mixture into the sand cup until it is moist enough. Then insert the rose branch in the middle so that the base is deeply submerged in the sand layer. Use a transparent plastic cup to cover the mouth of the cup containing the flower branch, creating a greenhouse effect to keep the plant moist. Then place it in a cool place with gentle light, avoiding direct sunlight. You can completely use the remaining garlic rice solution to water other flowers in the garden, especially ornamental plants or small woody plants. However, be careful not to water directly on the flowers, because this solution can cause the petals to burn slightly. And now is the result that every gardener expects after about 10 days. When observing, you will see green new shoots starting to emerge from the dormant buds. The tree trunk looks more plump and sturdy. If you gently lift the branch, you will see new roots growing around the base, white, thick, and evenly grown roots. That is a sign that the propagation process has been successful. At this point, you can gently transfer the plant to a larger pot. Using a loose substrate such as coconut fibre, burnt rice husks, or a mixture of humus and sand. Just take care of it properly, water evenly, avoid waterlogging, and place in a place with gentle light. Then in just a few weeks, you will have a healthy young rose tree, ready to sprout and bloom. When working in the flower growing industry, I always believe that each flower branch has a strong vitality. If we just give it a little time, a little meticulousness and understanding, then from a small cutting, a brilliant flower garden can completely arise. Hopefully today's method will help you love gardening more and feel the simple but profound joy when seeing new life begin to grow. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you success.